Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best kids cutting board and knife set is probably one of the most essential tools for any parent looking to introduce their children to the joys of cooking and food preparation in a safe and engaging way, fostering independence and valuable life skills right from the start. Number 5. RISICULIS Wooden Kids Kitchen Knife Set. Introducing the RISICULIS Wooden Kids Kitchen Knife Set, designed for safe and fun culinary adventures. Let your little ones explore the joy of cooking with tools made just for them. This comprehensive set includes a variety of knives, a cutting board, a peeler, and fun sandwich and crinkle cutters. It provides everything your child needs to practice their cutting skills. Crafted from high-quality wood and safe plastic, these tools are built to last. The ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip, and the specially designed blades minimize the risk of injury. Encourage your child's development as they chop and prepare food. This set helps improve eye-hand coordination and cognitive skills, making learning an engaging experience. Perfect for everyday use or special events like parties and picnics, these versatile tools make it easy to cut fruits, vegetables, and cheese. They add an element of fun to any family activity. Give the gift of learning and creativity with this Montessori-inspired cooking set. It's an ideal Christmas present for boys and girls who love to help in the kitchen. What we like. This set offers a wide array of tools for various cutting tasks. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling for little hands. If you're looking for a comprehensive starter kit with diverse utensils, this is a great choice for encouraging early kitchen involvement. What people say. The cutting board is made of durable, food-grade plastic that is safe for kids and easy to clean. The set includes a child-safe knife with a serrated edge that cuts through soft foods easily but won't cut little fingers. The non-slip surface on the cutting board keeps it from sliding around on the counter, providing a stable surface for chopping. Number 4. Tovla JR Kids Real Cooking and Baking Ultimate Gift Set. Looking for the perfect gift? This ultimate cooking and baking set is designed for kids. It's packed with everything they need to start their culinary adventures. This isn't just a toy. It comes with real, kid-safe tools inspired by Montessori principles. Your child can safely chop, mix, and bake alongside you. Make learning fun. The included visual cookbook and color-coded tools teach essential skills like fractions and independence. It's a fantastic way to blend education with enjoyment. Crafted with premium, durable materials, every piece is built for real use and long-lasting fun. Parents can trust the quality for endless family cooking sessions. This set promotes healthy eating with a special card for recipe swaps and encourages quality family time. Everything stays organized in the handy storage case, making it a thoughtful gift. What we like. This is the ultimate gift set, packed with everything a young chef needs, including a visual cookbook for easy learning. If you want a premium, all-in-one package that blends education with fun for children aged 6 to 12, this is the perfect present. What people say. The cutting board is made of food-grade plastic, which is safe and durable. The knife has a serrated edge that can easily cut through fruits and vegetables. The set includes a cutting board, a knife, and a peeler, making it a complete set for kids to practice their cutting skills. Number 3. Montessori Kitchen Toys for Toddlers, Real Cooking Set. Introducing a fun and safe way for your toddler to explore the joy of cooking. This set is designed to spark creativity in the kitchen. Crafted from healthy, BPA-free materials like wood, stainless steel, and food-grade polypropylene, these tools are built for safe, imaginative play. With lightweight, ergonomic designs and child-safe features like rounded edges and a crinkle cutter, they're perfect for tiny hands to grip and use. Encourage your child's hands-on skills and creativity as they chop, peel, and prepare pretend meals alongside you. It's a wonderful way to bond. This comprehensive set includes wooden knives, stainless steel cutters, peelers, and cutting boards, offering a variety of tools for endless culinary adventures. Watch as they imitate adult actions, developing essential life skills and fostering a love for food preparation. It's more than just a toy, it's an experience. What we like. Featuring adorable crocodile patterns, this set uses healthy and safe materials for peace of mind. With 2 cutting boards included, it offers more versatility for your child's culinary adventures. If you appreciate aesthetically pleasing and safe tools for toddlers learning to cook, this set is ideal. What people say. The cutting board is a good size for little hands and the knife is safe for kids to use. My child loves using this set to help prepare meals. It's a great way to teach them about cooking and knife safety. The cutting board has a non-slip surface, which makes it stable and safe for children to use. Number 2. Tovla Jr. Toddler Montessori Kitchen Knife and Cutting Board Set. Introducing the Tovla Jr. Toddler Montessori Kitchen Knife and Cutting Board Set. It's designed with safety as the top priority, making it perfect for your little chef to explore the kitchen. This set includes kid-safe knives and a special cutting board. They are perfectly sized for small hands, allowing children to safely engage in real cooking and baking activities. Inspired by Montessori education, this set encourages hands-on learning and skill development. It's a fun and engaging way for children to build confidence and independence in the kitchen. With a variety of child-sized tools, your child can actively participate in meal preparation. This fosters a sense of accomplishment and encourages them to try new things. Looking for a unique gift? This set is ideal for birthdays or holidays. It's a wonderful way to introduce children to the joys of cooking and baking in a safe, supportive environment. What we like? Designed specifically for toddlers aged 4 and up, this set prioritizes safety with kid-safe knives and a convenient foldable cutting board. If you are looking for a simple, safe, and educational introduction to kitchen skills for your youngest children, this set is perfectly suited. What people say? The cutting board is made of food-grade plastic, which is safe and durable. The knife has a serrated edge that can easily cut through fruits and vegetables. The set includes a cutting board, a knife, and a peeler, making it a complete set for kids to practice their cutting skills. Number 1. Chanking 13 Pieces Kids Safe Knife Set. Introducing the Chanking 13 Pieces Kids Safe Knife Set, designed for little chefs to safely explore the joy of cooking. This comprehensive set includes everything they need to get started. Our tools are specially designed with children in mind. The serrated edges ensure precision cutting without any risk of injury, making it a safe choice for your little ones. Featuring a unique and delicate design, including a charming wooden knife with crocodile patterns. It's crafted to ignite curiosity and make cooking a delightful family activity. This fantastic set is ideal for children aged 4 and up, whether they're engaging in pretend play or helping with real cooking tasks. It's both entertaining and educational. These versatile tools allow children to observe and mimic adult behaviors, enhancing practical skills and strengthening the parent-child bond. It's a wonderful way to learn about daily habits together. The set includes a cooking knife, Y-shaped peeler, wooden knife, cutting boards, serrated knives, vegetable cutters, and a crinkle cutter, offering a wide variety of tools for endless culinary adventures. What we like? This set is tailored for safety and engagement, featuring child-friendly designs and Montessori-inspired tools, including charming crocodile patterns. If you want a fun and safe way for children aged 4 to 12 to practice real cooking and mimic adult behaviors, this is an excellent choice. What people say? The cutting board is a good size for little hands and the knife is safe for kids. My kids love using this set to help in the kitchen. It's a great way to teach them about cooking and food safety. The cutting board has a non-slip surface, which makes it easier for kids to cut food without the board sliding around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.